it's a real ass kisser. AI is. I mean, it doesn't want to tell you you're bad at things. And so if you ask it a question like, I need a case that gives me this outcome, it will find that case even if it has to make it up because it wants you to be happy. And that was kind of the problem in that case. In that case, of course, got worse and worse because as the deception starts getting found out, they, not knowing it, had better ask ChatGPT, seriously, where is this case? And ChatGPT's like, here, and then wrote the case for them because it didn't want to, admit that it didn't exist. So they got in trouble. They got fined, $5,000 for it. Seemed very small at the time, but also it was very early. People were just learning.
And the public embarrassment lives on.
Public embarrassment lives on.
So my contribution is I think that we need to stop calling it AI hallucinations. I feel like I've said this earlier. Well, not in the podcast, just like on different occasions. Because like if I was writing a brief and I did this and I wanted to get away with it, AI hallucination is one step up from citation oopsie as far as a way of phrasing what you did. Like, why isn't this considered to be fraud or lying? Because like at the end of the day, the author of the legal document is not the AI program. It is the lawyer. Like the lawyer put in inaccurate information and pass it off as being their work. Like there needs to be some way we need to talk about this in terms of fraud or some other way that draws attention to the actual agent, which is the attorney, and not the program that was used in the writing of the thing.
Well, that's a great point. And even if the problem presents itself because the program hallucinated, you're absolutely right. The blame should not be on the computer program, which is just doing what it's supposed to do.
It is not the author. And even if it's doing what it's supposed to do incorrectly, to blame the hallucination on AI is a jazz hands trick. It's like, oh, I didn't fuck up when I signed this document. It was ChatGPT. And I feel like as people that our job is like reading and like being able to like place the blame of what's happening, every time we talk about this being the fault of a program, some lazy lawyer who didn't do their job gets off the hook.